Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wave Web Accessibility Evaluation Tool step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Wave website. Locate the registration option on the home page. Click on the registration link. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name. Enter your valid email address. Create a strong password. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. Review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once you have completed the form, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message. Open the email and find the confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. You will be redirected to the Wave dashboard. Log in using your registered email and password. Explore the features available to you as a registered user. Congratulations, you are now registered with Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.